Welcome to our short session about what type of leads we have for you and your agents. The first question when we talk to an agent is usually, what type of leads do you have? Well, I can tell you we have some of the best leads out there, not because they're the best leads, but it is we find a way to give you this lead for a fraction of the price. One of the type of leads, obviously, or the following types of leads is what we have: final expense leads, mortgage protection, life insurance leads, turning 65 leads, scrub data, federal employee leads, as we have a program with federal employees, and we also have a predictive dialer that can handle thousands of calls a day. Objectives. With this small presentation, our objective is to show you how to generate weekly appointments, how to stay focused on specific products that will generate referrals, that will generate extra sales. If you have, if you ever been or are contracted with more than 4 or 5 different companies, chances are that you're not selling very much. And comes down to, it's not the product, it's not the lead, it's not the phone system, it's not the internet, it's not your competition. It is you that has to make a change and create extreme focus into becoming an expert and being the insurance specialist that your clients should be looking at you like. If think about, what does a customer, whenever you come across a customer that you have served in the past, what can they say about you? Are you the insurance expert? Are you the insurance specialist? Or will they say, he's the jack of all trades, he does everything? We have a way to create major focus for your business and your agents. Final expense leads. We have 2 different mail houses that we deal with. One of them, we can do a 1,000-piece mailer for $350 with a high commission contract, and you're looking at about 1.8% return. The second carrier, we have $340 per 1,000. You save an extra $10 because Ensurity group gives you a subsidy, an additional subsidy that really returns about 2.5% to 3% on this second lead. But the average right now, total as a company, we're returning about 1.8% on final expense leads. Mortgage protection and life insurance leads. Well, we can get your mortgage protection leads on real time if you want to pay big money, and you will get that lead real time exclusive to you for 90 days. Or you can buy our historical leads. A lot of times people are not ready to buy when the lead just comes out. They gotta wait, they gotta think about it, they gotta do something, they're on vacation, they're gonna do it after, you know, they move into the house, whatever the case might be. But a real-time lead might cost you an average of $35 to $56. If you're paying less than $45, that means that that real-time lead is being sold to 2 to 3 different agents at the same time as you're getting it. If you're buying a historical lead, that's usually between $7 and $3 a piece. Here's the breakdown. You can buy real-time leads and you will spend over $400. Out of 10 leads, if you're an excellent producer and an excellent caller, you will set 5 to 6 appointments and close about 2 or 3, 2.5 to 3 deals. That is, again, if you're above average, but the return is usually right below the 2 mark, and that's a nationwide average. If you buy a historical lead from us, the average cost would be right around the same as your real-time leads, except that now out of 80 leads you set about 8 to 12 appointments, and you're going to be closing 4 to right around 6. The average right now on 80 historical leads, you're going to be closing about 5. That's the average right now, nationwide average. The money expense is the same. The sales average obviously is double on the historical lead. So you can just make that math and we can get you a very great price on this ones. Turning 65 leads, we can do the mailers for you about, like we mentioned at the beginning, 340 per 1,000 rate with a 3% average return on the turning 65. We can provide the scrub list so that you can call the customers and you can contact or turning 65 leads 6 months prior to their date of birth versus 3 months on the regular Medicare programs. So with our Medicare program, you can contact your lead 6 months before their date of birth. We show you how that. And of course, we always save the best for last. We have a federal employee program that we do through our companies, and we help civil workers, postal employees, federal employees, or the buildings, 911 responders. We do the direct mailers for you. We pay for the mailers. We have a special program to supplement the federal employees retirement plan. We are part of their retirement. They usually have plan A and plan B in place. We are the plan C. Whenever you get into that office, into that federal building, into that post office group of people, you will be generating business at an annual at an average size of $2,000, because the government subsidizes part of the cost of the program, and we use a specialized whole life program with an annuity attached to it, and this one is returning 4 to 5%, and we call it the master referral program because federal employees must give you 10 referrals before they're eligible to join our program. So they must give you referrals, and we show you how to do that. This is a great, only for a few good agents. Not every agent will qualify for this program. You need to be a producer, you need to be an expert on the product, you need to know our company, the way we work, and then we allowed you to join the program. The average agent on this program is doing about $150,000 of annualized premium at a very high. Making the appointments, we show you how to make the appointments, we show you how to handle objections, present inside the home, close inside the house, and we help you handle rebuttals, not only on the phone but in the house. From inside the house, we show you how to fill out the applications, run quotes. We show you process from A to Z. Contact us today or visit one of our websites, www.mywebsiteusa.com, www.ensuritygroup.agents.com. Contracting@ensuritygroup.com is our email if you have any contracting questions, or if you just want to send in your paperwork from one of our websites. It'll go to contracting. Or if you're interested in the Medicare program, go to mymedicareprogram.com, www.mymedicareprogram.com.